guys? We heading there now. Like I said, another 12-hour shift, bro. I'm still sleepy, but not that sleepy. But yeah, it's another 12-hour shift. I'm like, damn, bro. Another one? Definitely gotta get my forks fixed. Yeah, so basically putting these brake pads on right here. Yeah. Oh, I didn't see you down there. Who that? Oh, yeah. So putting the brake pads right here, down here, and all that, pretty much. Bro, I got distracted, I ain't gonna lie. Cause he called me cameraman. Cause I got the camera on. That's what they calling me here, so yeah. Pretty much. What's up, guys? So, we have the other warehouse today. It's blurry. Let me wipe y'all. Yeah. So yeah, we have the other warehouse. Well, not the other warehouse today. Why I said that? We still have this warehouse. Got this all cleared out, pretty much. But right now we're clearing this side. Bro, it's so much shit, so much stuff in here, and it's so hot in here, bro. Literally, it's hot as heck. It's like super hot. I don't know if you guys can see me because the what's it called again? Because the light blurring the view, but it's like way hot in here, like super freaking hot, bro. Like, one thing about Pompano warehouses, most warehouses in Florida, they don't have no air conditioning, so we just sitting in the hot doing all this, bro. Literally, like doing all this, bro. Like, that's a lot to do. I'm not gonna sit here and lie. But yeah, catch y'all later. Still gonna be more bike riding after I get off, but yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys later. Yeah, so just got done eating lunch and everything, pretty much. Oh, I'm so tired, bro. It's so freaking hot in this freaking warehouse, bro. Like, it's giving, like, I don't even know, bro. It's so hot in here. But I'm in the bathroom. The bathroom, the only place that got air conditioning in here, bro. That's the crazy part about this. Like, the bathroom got air conditioning here. But when you go outside, it's I said raining. I mean, it's like, well, shoot, it's raining hot. Like, the heat. Like, bro. And I gotta do 12 hours. Then I gotta come back tomorrow. And then they said they might not even have this done by tomorrow. So I probably might be here all week. But it's money at the end of the day. Easy money. We ain't really doing that but just putting boxes inside the crates. But it's a little cool gig job, I guess. But I'm gonna catch y'all on the flip side. Been out here, bro. Oh, I thought I was about to fall off the bike. I don't know what this place is. It seems cool. Work was good though. I never been around here, y'all, so you know, I'm just riding, honestly. That's the one thing I can say, bro. I love like that laundry smell. When I can smell it through somebody's house, it smells so good. The laundry smells so good, bro. They're like the best smell I can smell. Turn green. Yes. Now we go. Cause they gotta stop. Ooh. That drop scared me. He was looking in my face.